Yo guys, what's up? Just got a new bike, I think 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. Um, I was camping up at Sylvan Beach in New York. Had a really good time. I went camping up at Tagasoke. Um, they have a lot of cool stuff there. There's like a dirt half pipe looking thing. Um, there's another set of jumps that I hit down by like a bridge under, like by the water. But yeah, so let's get started. This bike I got at Lake Route Bicycle in Bridgeport, New York. It's a kink frame and all that sweet stuff. So I got it for $243. It was slightly used by some kid. It came with a couple little dings on the handlebars, but nothing big. It's a 2013, as you see right there. 2013 Dan's competition, right there. Yeah, it's a really light bike. Like I can pick it up like that, like nothing. So like yeah, it's like I said, it's really light. It's got plastic pedals. I got it for $243 new out of like a bike shop. It's $400, so like a hell of a deal on that for it being like slightly used. This was like the bike that was right in the window. Like it was in the window of their store if you've ever seen it, like if you live in New York. So yeah, I don't know how much spokes the wheels have. All I know is that they're Alien wheels or Allion, whatever. I'm not really good with the brands that much because this is like my first real BMX bike. So yeah, one thing that gets people tripping is this chain ring. Hang on one second. Put it outside. It's a Shadow Conspiracy. This really gets people tripping on this bike. It's got plastic Odyssey pedals, Mission cranks. It's got a Kink Dans Comp frame. Kink Dans Comp handlebars. Kink Dans Comp forks. It's got Alien wheels. Mission cranks, I already said. Stolen seat. The seat's really light. Like I've never felt a seat that's that light on a BMX bike. I got the ODI extra soft grips, ODI bar ends, both sides. I don't know what the brake is, but the brake is like works really good. I got a Mission Paramount headset. By the way, it's a sealed bottom bracket, maintenance free. It's a man, what was it? Oh no, it's three. No, what? Oh, integrated headset, maintenance free. See, like, take it out with an Allen wrench, you can see right through it, right to the wheels. See the wheels moving in there. Yeah, but yeah, the brakes work really good. The back end is really light. Front end's really light. I can't 180 on it yet. Oh yeah, by the way, it's got Mission rims. This is Mission right there. So yeah, this is a really nice bike. It's beautiful color. Like this is the best bike I've like ever had. Again, like I said, $400 on the market. I got it for $243. Oh yeah, by the way, it's got a Mission seat clamp. Let's see what else. Anything I'm forgetting? No. It's got all these stickers on the back wheel, stickers on the front wheel right there. But yeah, like I said, this is a really light bike. Like handlebars, really light. I saw these one handlebars at the bicycle shop. They were really freaking cool. They were a different shade of blue, but they had like two white stripes right here. They're pretty sick. I think they're either stolen or they were Eastern or Sunday or something like that. I don't know. They're really light though. I haven't really taken the bike apart at all yet, so I don't really know how light all the parts are. All I know is that the whole bike itself is probably like, I would guess about like 8 pounds is the whole bike, which is really light for a BMX bike. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Comment if you have any questions, and like if you have any sales, like tell me about them, cause like I'm trying to get more parts for like to build a different bike. Yeah, the cranks are like really nice. Yeah, so again, comment, like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't. More videos on bikes when I get them coming soon. I also make Call of Duty videos and stuff like that. Yeah, but I have some questions. Hang on a second. One second, hang on. Can I switch this camera? No. I'm sure you can all see me. On the 180, like, I have a lot of trouble doing 180s, because like, when I 180, I do left foot forward, no, right foot forward, I spin to the left, and like, I've watched plenty of tutorials. I do every step that you're supposed to do. Carve, lift up your handlebars, bunny hop, and like kick your feet out a little bit and turn and land. But like, for some reason when I'm doing it, like, I don't know, it's kind of a habit for me to land on like one pedal, like this, and like that, cause like, I don't know, hang on, I'll show you. Like, I don't know, like, it's kind of weird, like, I can't do it yet, I can't get the full rotation, but like, I don't know why, like, I do everything correctly, it just doesn't come to me, like, for some reason, like, when I'm turning, like handlebars come up, you carve, handlebars come up, is when I turn, I somehow land like that. No, I land like this, and I'm forced to crank my foot down on this pedal and like fly off of it in a way. So like, doesn't really work that good for me. But yeah, this bike's like really light. It's got no like loose crap. If you hear like this, that's just the cranks when I drop it. Like nothing's loose on that. That is the cranks. Hang on a second. Yeah, there it is. It's like nothing loose on it. Yeah, this is how good the brakes work. Like, I push them in that far and they will lock it up. Look at this. So I'm like barely even touching them. Lock right up. Yeah, unmovable. See that? That's beautiful. Again, beautiful bike. Answer my questions in the comment section. Maybe you could like tell me to watch a video of yours if you have like any tutorials on it. So thanks for watching. Comment for any questions or like any suggestions. Rate, subscribe if you haven't, and like if you liked it. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.